I'm already in the kitchen. I'm going to.
I know how to get rid of your hiccups. Hold your breath.
No, it doesn't.
Grab a glass of water.
Hold your bread?
Sit on the couch. Make sure that you're upside down on the couch, where your legs are on the back of the couch, and sip water.
I tried to fucking kill me.
No, okay, Gustavo. Listen, I'm gonna send you a video of a car. It's a guy driving through the country field in a calm, majestic, majestic. Hi, Vey. It's in a calm kind of thing. I want you to deafen yourself and watch the video, okay? Let me send it to you.
No.
I've already got a glass. I'm ready to drink something.
We'll drink something first. And whatever you do, don't drink while watching the video. Trust me.
That's what the last partner said the last time while watching a video. I'm drinking something.
I don't want you to laugh. I don't want you to do a spit take while laughing.
Yeah.
Okay?
No, Jason.
It's a great clip.
Okay. Here. I'm going to send it to you right now. Watch the video, deafen yourself, okay?
What?
Here you go. Go ahead and watch it. Deafen yourself. Deafen yourself.
When I was about to drink something, I was literally handcuffed.
What
Now
about
then. Anyway, deafen yourself and go ahead and watch it, okay?
I know what you're doing.
I do too, and I wish you wouldn't have lied about what kind of video it was.
I know you hate lying. I'm trying because this actually stopped my hiccups, legit.
He's gonna be so pissed when he gets back on. I'm gonna love this.
Yes. And I will apologize to him. I will. I promise. I will apologize.
What's going on now?
You'll see. And like I said, when he gets back on, I will apologize. I promise I will apologize to him. And besides, it's not like... I was going to say really quick. And besides, babe, it's not like I can basically tell him, here, watch this jump scare video. It'll cure your hiccups.
You technically
Because he won't do it.
had to. You just tell me to watch the video. I already knew exactly which video you were talking
You
about.
cocksucking motherfucking motherfucker!
Hold on. Gustavo, hold on.
Fuck you!
Oh, Gustavo, are you hiccuping?
No, I'm not hiccuping, but it's right. You motherfucker! You goddamn motherfucker!
You fucking got him in recording for the last 2 hours.
Fuck you!
Babe, hold on, babe, what's wrong?
Motherfucker, wow! Well, you're on doorbell now.
You're fucking evil! Evil!
Thank you. I appreciate that compliment. Thank you.
Fuck you!
Anyway, go ahead, babe.
No, just the fact that it worked.
Fuck you!
Go ahead, babe. I'm listening.
No, I'm good. It worked. It worked.
Gustavo, are you hiccuping anymore?
Fuck you! Also, no, I'm not hiccuping anymore.
I'm a healer, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm gonna take that clip, edit it, and put it on my YouTube now.
You're a troll. You're a bit of a troll, though, too.
Asshole!
I'm sorry, but I love everybody in this group right now.
You're an asshole!
You know what? I think my thing is still